Going to solve the factorization method sums which is there in exercise 2.2, and this method is generally you are aware about that because in 9th standard also we have learned about the factorization method. So let us begin with this easy method, that is factorization method. Okay, now I'm going to solve the sums based on factorization method. See, now what you have to do, I'll take the sum. I'm solving the exercise 2.2. Okay, I'll take one sum of your textbook itself. First question, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. So let us understand what is factorization method and how the sums can be, quadratic equation can be solved out of that. So first sum, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. See, the thing is that before solving the any quadratic equation, you are aware about the some basic things which we have seen in 9th standard also. Once again I will repeat. See, first of all, the quadratic equation should be in a standard form. So is this is a standard form of equation, quadratic equation? Yes, it is in a standard form. अगर standard form में नहीं है तो आपको उसको standard form में बनाना होगा. Okay. Second, what you have to see, you have to split the middle term. Now here what is the middle term? Minus 15, right? You have to split this middle term 15. So what you have to do, first step, see, pay attention. Once you are aware about how to solve the quadratic equation, so it will be very easy for you to solve any kind of quadratic equation. But understand the basic thing. See, first thing what you have to do, you have to multiply last term to the first term. What is the last term here? 54. Multiply with the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Is nothing but 1. So 54 into 1 is what? 54, right? Remember, we was supposed to do in 9th standard also. So multiply last term to the first term. So if यहाँ पे अगर x square के जगह 2 होता तो 54 into 2 हो जाता. Multiply. We'll see that kind of sum also is there. Now it is, what is the coefficient of x square is 1. So 54 into 1 is 54. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the two terms, such a two numbers, when you add it you will get 15. मतलब बीच का मिडिल टर्म जो है ना 15 है, आपको ऐसे दो नंबर ढूंढने हैं. यू हैव टू फाइंड सच टू नंबर्स, when you will add them you will get 15. Why I have told adding, why not subtraction? How I came to know that I have to add only? Because of this sign. Always remember this sign. जो कांस्टेंट नंबर होता है ना उसके बाजू में जो साइन होता है, यहाँ पे देखिए 54 के पास कौन सा साइन है? प्लस, कांस्टेंट टर्म है ना, तो वो डिसाइड करता है कि नंबर को ऐड किया जाएगा कि सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा. हमेशा याद रखिए. तो आपको कभी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा कि मुझे ऐड करना है कि सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, so now once you got it, what you have to do, you have to add the number. Okay, now find the numbers. What number will be there? Which two number will be there? If I add them I will get 15. What are they? You remember the table of 9 or table of 6? Yes, we know the table of 9 also, we know the table of 6 also. 9 6 is 54, right? Or 6 9 are 54. So I got two number, 9 and 6. Correct. So 9 6 are 54 or 6 9 are 54. Anything you can write. It is one of the same thing. Now if I add 9 and 6, do I get 15? 9 plus 6 15. Yes, correct. I got 9 plus 6 is 15. But one thing is that you can see a minus sign is there beside 15. So I have to decide the sign of these numbers also. So I have to add, that is for sure. But how I will add them that I will get a minus sign here? क्योंकि आप जब ऐड करते हैं तो आपको साइन का भी ध्यान रखना है. अगर मिडिल टर्म के पास माइनस साइन है तो ऐड करते समय या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते समय वही साइन आना चाहिए आपको. तो यहाँ पे तो -15 है तो ऐड करते समय साइन माइनस कैसे आएगा? यस, आ सकता है. इफ आई राइट -9 एंड -6, -9 एंड -6 कितना होता है? -15 होता है. तो मुझे मिल गया ना बीच का टर्म -15. आर यू गेटिंग? नाउ द थिंग इज दैट नाउ यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ कैसे इसको लिखेंगे? सॉल्यूशन x square I'll write as it is. Now you write either -9 or either -6. It is up to you. You can write anything. So I'll write -9x, next -6x, plus 54 equal to 0. Now you see here what is common in this case. You have to take the common. What common you have to take? You will take the common from here and you will take the common from here. Always first two term and last two term. Okay. So let us start. Now what is common between x square and 9x? Yes, common is x. बिकॉज और तो कुछ कॉमन दिख नहीं रहा है, तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा? x माइनस 9, राइट. यहाँ पे क्या कॉमन दिखेगा? यहाँ पे भी x ही कॉमन दिख रहा है. नहीं, यहाँ पे 6 कॉमन है, क्योंकि 6 और 54 कॉमन है ना. 6 के टेबल में 54 आता है, तो 6 कॉमन है, राइट. सो आई विल राइट हियर माइनस, और लिखूंगा 6 बाहर ब्रैकेट के, और ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या होगा? x माइनस 9 equal to 0. Why 9 I have written? See, the thing is that always remember minus 6 into x is what? minus 6x. बराबर. तो माइनस माइनस क्या होना चाहिए? प्लस होना चाहिए ना. इसके लिए ब्रैकेट में मैंने माइनस लिखा है, क्योंकि अगर आप प्लस लिखेंगे तो माइनस प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे तो प्लस साइन है ना. तो आपको वैसे ही टर्म लिखने हैं कि जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यू विल गेट द सेम टर्म इन द अबव इक्वेशन, राइट. सो एंड 6 9s are 54. Correct. Now I will tell you the trick here. See, this was a basic thing which we are supposed to do in every sum, in factorization sum. Okay. Now one trick is there. Sometimes you find difficulty in taking out the common. Now suppose you have taken out this common very easily in first term, x square and 9x, but you find difficulty in finding out the common between 6x and 54. So what you will do? Always remember whatever the term is there in this first bracket. जैसे यहाँ पे first bracket में क्या term था? x minus 9. सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में भी x माइनस 9 ही होने वाला है, फिक्स है वो. फिर आप ऐसा टर्म बाहर लगाइए ब्रैकेट के बाहर कि जो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे अबाव इक्वेशन में सेटिस्फाई हो जाए. आर यू गेटिंग? वॉट एवर द टर्म इज इन फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट, सेकेंड टर्म में भी वही ब्रैकेट. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे x माइनस 9 है तो यहाँ पे x प्लस 4 होगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. देन इट विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके. सो ऑलवेज बोथ द ब्रैकेट टर्म्स आर ऑलवेज सेम. सो दिस इज वन ट्रिक टू फाइंड आउट वेदर यू आर डूइंग करेक्ट और रॉन्ग. Now further what you will do? There is a common thing. X minus 9 is written twice. You will write only one, and another bracket is x minus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 9 equal to 0, or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 9 goes there, it becomes plus 9, or x is equal to minus 6 goes there, becomes plus 6. So you got your final answer, that the root of the given quadratic equation are 9 and 6, or 6 or 9. It is one of the same thing. So final statement आप लिखेंगे, the roots of the given quadratic equation is 9 and 6. 2 mark sums. I hope it is clear. We'll do one more sum. Say question is x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. Now you tell me what you have to do here. Solution. First of all, what you will do? Multiply last term to the first term. So 20 into, what is the coefficient of x square is 1. So 20 into 1 is what? 20. Now see the sign beside the 20. 20 के पास कौन सा साइन है? कांस्टेंट टर्म है, उसके पास कौन सा साइन है? माइनस ना, राइट. सो नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट सच टू नंबर्स दैट व्हेन यू माइनस यू विल गेट 1, क्योंकि मिडिल टर्म क्या है? x है खाली. मिडिल टर्म x है, मतलब x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 1 है ना. सो आपको ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे तो 20 आएगा, लेकिन माइनस करने पे 1 आना चाहिए. व्हाट आर द नंबर्स? दे आर 5 and 4. Am I right? 5 4s are 20. 5 minus 4 is 1. Correct? Easy it is. Now decide the number. What will be the sign of the numbers? Numbers के पास साइन क्या होगा? 5 के पास and 4 के पास. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? माइनस कर रहे हैं ना. सो 5 के पास कौन सा साइन होने वाला है? प्लस. और 4 के पास क्या साइन होने वाला है? माइनस. बिकॉज 5 minus 4 becomes 1 and it becomes plus 1. यहाँ पे प्लस 1 ही है ना. That is plus x. तो अब इसको आप लिखिए. So I will write it, x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Now take the common here. कॉमन दो टर्म में से कॉमन लीजिए आप, अब उसको सॉल्व करिए. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट हियर, कॉमन विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर 5x के बीच में कॉमन x ही है ना, सो x प्लस 5 और माइनस टर्म रहेगा. मैंने पहले ही बोला कि x प्लस 5 इधर है तो यहाँ पे भी x प्लस 5 होने वाला है, राइट. सीधा आप लिख सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे बाहर क्या लिखेंगे 4, बिकॉज 4 इंटू एक्स इज 4x, 4 5 are 20, करेक्ट, इक्वल टू 0. Now after that, what are the common thing? x plus y and x plus y दो बार आ रहा है, उसको एक ही बार आपको लिखना है. So I'll write only once. So I'll write x plus 5 and second x minus 4 equal to 0. So I'll get x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to plus 5 goes there, it becomes minus 5, or x minus 4 goes there, it becomes plus 4. So x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 4. So this is your final answer. So you will write the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 5 and 4. Getting cleared? Now one different type of sum we'll take and we'll try to solve by this method only, factorization method. Third sum, that is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. This is also a third question of your textbook. Solution. First I will write the same equation, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. Now what you will do here, multiply last term with the first term. What is the coefficient, last term 13, and what is the coefficient of y square is 2. So 13 into 2 gives what, 13 into 2 26, correct. Now see the constant number sign. What is the constant number sign? यहाँ पे constant sign है, प्लस है ना, ये देखिए प्लस है. तो write find out any two numbers, when you will add it you will get the 27. So I'll get 26 and 1, that is as simple as that, because 26 1s are 26, 26 plus 1 27. What about the sign? Both will have plus sign. So I'll write now. So 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 equal to 0. Now what is the common? You will take the common from here now, from both this term. So the common is 2y. 2 is also common and y is also common, because y is repeated and 2 के टेबल में 2 आता है और 26 भी आता है, right? So y plus 13, 2 into 13 is 26. So same thing I will write here also. Here it will be 1 and y plus 13, because as I told you, ये जो ब्रैकेट में टर्म होने वाला है वही ब्रैकेट में यही टर्म होने वाला है, सेम टू सेम. सो आप कॉपी पेस्ट इसको कर सकते हैं. इक्वल टू 0. सो 2y प्लस 1, दूसरा है y प्लस 13 इक्वल टू 0. एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट, y प्लस 13 ऑल्सो फर्स्ट यू कैन राइट, और बाद में भी लिख सकते हैं, इट डजेंट मेक डिफरेंस. सो 2y प्लस 1 equal to 0. So therefore 2y is equal to minus 1. So therefore y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Right? Y का वैल्यू आपको मिल गया. Now about y plus 13. So y plus 13 equal to 0. So y is equal to plus 13 उधर जाएगा तो it becomes minus 13. So I got both the value. One is minus 1 upon 2 and one is minus 13. So the final answer will be, the root of the given quadratic equation is minus 1 upon 2 and 13, minus 13. Are you getting this kind of sums? It is quite easy. Practice this kind of sums. खाली आपको इसमें multiples आने चाहिए, multiplication आना चाहिए, and you should able to find out the common, right? जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इट, प्रैक्टिस द सम्स, आप यूज टू हो जाएंगे फिर आप, क्योंकि दिस इज विल बी इजी फॉर यू बिकॉज ऑलरेडी यू हैव डन इन द 9th standard, so I don't think so you will find much difficulty in this. One more sum we'll take now. Okay, I'll take the sum, sixth sum. Six x minus 2 upon x equal to 1. Now how we will solve this? Here also you have to first arrange in the standard form. This is not in a standard form, you have to arrange it in a standard form. So then only once you get a quadratic equation, उसके बाद ही आप उसको factorization method से solve कर सकते हैं. So what you will do to arrange in the standard form? We know already whatever the term is there in the denominator. What is the term in this equation? What is the term in the denominator? That is x. So multiplying both the side by x. So multiplying both sides by x. So what you will get? 6x into x will give me 6x square, minus x get cancelled, so it becomes 2, equal to 1 into x becomes x. Now arrange it in a quadratic form, standard form of quadratic equation. That is 6x square plus x becomes minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Once you got this, you can start solving the quadratic equation. Now once you got this quadratic equation standard form में मिल गया, अब आपको ये इक्वेशन के ऊपर फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड की मदद से आपको फैक्टर्स फाइंड करना. व्हाट यू विल डू हियर आल्सो द सेम थिंग यू विल डू. लास्ट टर्म मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट टर्म, दैट इज 2 into 6 gives us what? 12. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू शो दिस. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ये बता सकते हैं, लेकिन ये ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप बताएं इसको. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. Now tell me what is the sign of this constant term? 2 is nothing but minus. So get two numbers in such a way that when you minus them you will get 1. What are the two numbers? 4 and 3. 6 2s are also 12, but 6 minus 2 is what? 4, but middle term is not 4, middle term is 1. So you want 1, so 4 3s are 12. It will be better because 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Now sign should be minus 1, not only 1. So what you will do? I have to add obviously. So what I will add, I'll put here also minus and here also minus. So minus 4 minus 3 becomes what? Minus sorry, here minus 4 and here is plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 becomes what? Minus 1. So I got it minus 1. I'll just write it here. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now you take the common from here. You try. What will be the common here? 6 and 4. Is it common multiple? Any common multiple between 6 and 4? Yes, 2 is there, and x is also common is there, right? So 2 and x is common. So what is remaining in this? 3x minus 2 plus 1 3x minus 2. So what is the common here? 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 repeated twice. You will write only once, and 2x plus 1 in another bracket. I will solve in that another page. So I got two common terms here, 3x minus 2 and second is 2x plus 1. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore 3x is equal to 2, because minus 2 goes there, it becomes 2. So therefore x is equal to 2 upon 3, or 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 goes there, it becomes minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So I got both the values of x. One is 2 upon 3 and second is minus 1 upon 2. So final statement will be what? The root of the given quadratic equation is 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Is it clear with this sum? Just see these sums once again, okay, and practice this sum. Practice is required. More you practice, more you become perfect. One more sum will do. Okay, so let's try this sum now. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. How to solve this kind of, if it is root, how to find the quadratic equation, how to find the factorization method, how to apply that method in this quadratic equation. This is also quadratic equation. So what you will do here, solution, same thing you will do, last term multiply first term. So what is last term here? Last term is 5 root 2 multiply by root 2. So you know root 2 into root 2 becomes root 4, and root 4 is nothing but 2. So 5 2s are 10. I'm telling you, you don't have to show all this which I'm writing in a purple color in the examination. You can write directly. This you can do in the rough. Okay, so 10. I got the number 10. Now you have to find out such a two number when I add it, because there is a constant number के पास कौन सा sign है add वाला, इसके लिए I'll add it, I'll get the middle term, that is 7. So what will be that? ऐसे कौन से दो नंबर है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 10 आएगा और ऐड करने पे 7 आना चाहिए? So that is 5 and 2. So I'll write it. So root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now you have to take the common. इसमें से कॉमन लीजिए और इसमें से कॉमन लीजिए. So common will be x only. So therefore x ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखिए root 2x plus 5 प्लस यहाँ पे root 2 कॉमन है, ब्रैकेट में root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now again I am saying you, now this is very, it was easy in first two terms to find out the common because x is a common. So ब्रैकेट में root 2x plus 5, बाकी फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आपको ये ऊपर वाला टर्म मिल जाएगा, बट यहाँ पे डिफिकल्टी होगा. So what you have to do, you have to apply the trick. See, in first bracket I got root 2x plus 5, this is correct. अगर आपको कंफर्म हो गया ये करेक्ट है तो यही आपको फिर से इधर ही लिखना है. So root 2x plus 5 आपको मिल गया. अब ब्रैकेट के बाहर आप क्या लिखेंगे, जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आपको ऊपर वाला जो दो टर्म है फिर से वही मिल जाएंगे. आप रूट 2 ही लिखो. क्यों? बिकॉज सी रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 बिकम्स वॉट, रूट 4, एंड रूट 4 इज वॉट 2. तो 2 इंटू एक्स इज 2x. आई गॉट फर्स्ट टर्म 2x, राइट. प्लस साइन रूट 2 इंटू 5 इज वॉट 5 रूट 2, right? Once you got this, then you have to write therefore root 2x plus 5 in one bracket and x plus root 2 in another bracket equal to 0. So root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to plus 5 becomes minus 5, root 2 डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा आपका, और x इज इक्वल टू प्लस रूट 2 उधर चला गया तो इट बिकम्स माइनस रूट 2. दैट्स इट. दिस इज योर आंसर. दिस कैन बी गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बॉक्स ऑल्सो समटाइम. एक्टिविटी फॉर्म में दिए रहते हैं कभी कभी आपको. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ द एक्टिविटी, सपोज हियर द ब्लैंक विल बी गिवन टू यू, ऐसा बॉक्स करके आपको देंगे तो ये सब बॉक्स आपको भरना होगा. इक्वेशन विल बी सॉल्व, it will be given to you and you have to fill up these boxes. देखिए ये जो ग्रीन कलर के जो मैं बॉक्स आपको बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है, इस तरह से बॉक्स के फॉर्म में आपको दिए होंगे, तो आपको इसको सॉल्व करना रहेगा. तो जहाँ पे भी बॉक्स है वो सब ब्लैंक रहेंगे, राइट. सो यू हैव टू फिल अप दैट ब्लैंक, और यू कैन do the sum completely solved and then you can fill up the box finally. इस तरह से ब्लैंक होते हैं. ये ऐसे बॉक्सेस आपको दिए रहेंगे और आपको सॉल्व करने होंगे. सो आप पहले सॉल्व कर लीजिए उसको रफ में इफ़ यू वांट, एंड देन यू कैन राइट इट इन द फेयर एंड मेक इट फाइनली बॉक्स. सो दिस इज अ एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, इट कम्स इन एग्जामिनेशन. Okay, now let us do one more type of this kind of sum, factorization method, but a bit a different sum. Let's try that. That is question number 10 of your textbook. 2m square, sorry, 25m square equal to 9. See, in notes they had given in a different method to solve, but sometime if it comes in examination, so you can solve in this way also, which I am going to solve. They have solved in the form of formula, because here you cannot see special quadratic equation. You have seen, you can see just m square, one m square is there, 25m square and equal to 9 they had given. You have to solve this sum. So how to solve this kind of sum? So at that moment what you will do, you will write just in this form, m square is equal to 9 upon 25. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो नीचे आ जाएगा, राइट. Taking square root on both the side. When I will take the taking, I'll write it here, square root on both sides. When I will take the square root on both the side, it becomes what, m square का m बन जाएगा, right, and is equal to प्लस माइनस, आपको पता है जब स्क्वायर रूट आता है तो प्लस माइनस आपको लगाना है 9 अपॉन 25. So therefore m is equal to plus minus, what is the root of 9? 3, and what is the root of 25 is 5. So आपका फाइनल आंसर मिल गया आपको. therefore m is equal to 3 upon 5 and second value is